In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Apple Intelligence on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the two main ways that you have to disable Apple Intelligence completely, either on a MacBook or a Mac desktop. You will be able to do this when you head over to the settings. So the first option that I recommend using is simply disabling it through the settings. So you open the settings on your Mac, and under General Accessibility and Appearance, you will see Apple Intelligence and Siri. Choose this category, and in here, you will find the option to disable it. Of course, the option to manage Apple Intelligence will only be available to you if you are on the latest iOS or Mac version. And all that you have to do now is make sure that this option is disabled. Doing this will completely disable all of the features related to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, if for whatever reason this option doesn't work for you, maybe it is turning on automatically, maybe you still see the requests pop up, or you want to be absolutely sure that it will never be enabled again, something that you can do is change the region or the language of your device. So Apple Intelligence is currently only available in the US. So as long as you change the region of your device to any other region outside of the US, for example, the UK, Apple Intelligence will go away because it doesn't work on regions outside of the US at the moment. So this is an alternative option if just disabling it directly doesn't work. So try disabling it through this menu, and if for whatever reason it doesn't work, or you want to have an extra layer of guarantee that it will be turned off, then change the region from the US to the UK. You can also change the language. Regardless of how you approach this, Apple Intelligence will be disabled because it needs both the language and the region to be set to the US. And if it isn't, then it will simply give users a message that it is not available in that specific region. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Apple Intelligence on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.